As we saw in first lessons from section 8, how we made the walls and their openings, whether door or window openings, here I placed the components of door and window openings and also walls like this. Of course, before placing them, we turned on the floor plan tag. Also, we will add two previous shortcuts, an important shortcut for important function which is subtract. We will add it from preferences, press Alt B, then in preferences window, choose shortcuts, write subtract. Once we type the first three letters, the function appear, which is tools, solid tools, subtract. Select it, then we will add the shortcut from here. Then click on plus icon. I prefer Shift S as a shortcut for it. Close this window. Then we will start making the walls and openings. Firstly, we will push the walls down with value of step riser, which is 18.3 centimeters, 18 centimeters and 3 millimeters. After that, door openings, we will make its height 240 centimeters. For window openings, window like this, open the component, then move up this shape 20 centimeters, then set its height to the door opening's height. Then we will push up the walls 3 meters. After that, select wall instances, right click on any copy of wall component, then select instances, select all, so all walls are selected. As you learned in section 8, we will make union for these walls. Now we have a solid group contains all walls. Then we will create openings with the way we know. We will delete these copies here. Open this group and delete this. Then exit and delete these two objects. Then we will start creating openings. So press on subtract shortcut which we made. Then we select the opening component. Then select the walls group and move the cursor to an empty place and press again on shortcut of subtract. Then click on the opening. After that, click on walls group, then move the cursor to an empty place and I will press on Shift S, then select the component and select walls, and so on. We will repeat until we create all openings of the first floor as a practice.